the world that we live in now, a lot of people want to make a lot of money. Like, for example, they say, hey, I want to make $5,000. I want to make $10,000. I want to make $100,000. I want to make $200,000. I want to make millions of dollars. Right? This is all coming from our ego mind. Okay? Because even if we get to that $10,000, even if we get to that $100,000, the ego will always keep on asking, right? It's never going to get satisfied. Okay? And you're going to be keeping in this cycle like time and time again. It's never going to stop. Never will. So no matter how much money you have, that money won't make you happy. It won't. So instead of saying, hey, I'm going to be happy if I get $10,000 a month, if I get $100,000 a month, if I make that $50,000 a month, once I have that money, that's when I'm going to be happy. Okay? So what you're actually doing is you asking from lack. And if you asking from lack, you're going to get more of that. What are you going to get more of? More of the lack. Okay? So instead of just saying, hey, I want to get that thing, I want to get that thing, why don't you just listen to your soul? Instead of going and listening to your soul, instead of listening to your ego mind, why don't you ask the soul, hey soul, what do you want? What do you want me to manifest? Because our soul is leading us and it has the answer to everything, right? So instead of listening to your ego mind, listen to your soul. Listen to your soul, because your soul has the answer to everything. Surrender to your soul, and that's when you're going to get magical moments, magical manifestation coming to you, attracting to you. Law of attraction. Manifestation isn't about getting anything. It is all about knowing who you are, which is abundance, because you are abundance. So if you're asking the $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, $1 million, it's your ego mind actually just speaking. Shut your ego mind down and start listening to your soul, because once you listen to your soul, magic will happen in your life. Magic.